In this video we will show you the DHT22 is a versatile and low-cost humidity sensor that can also calculate the temperature of an area. Before we get started with programming a script for the Raspberry Pi humidity sensor, we must first ensure that we have the latest updates on our Raspberry Pi. We can do this by running the following two commands to update both the package list and installed packages. First, we must make a Python script in which we will store all our code. To begin writing this file, you can enter the following command into your Raspberry Pi. This sensor has a relatively long transmission distance, allowing the sensor to transmit data through wires up to 20 meters away from the Raspberry Pi. To make things easier when assembling the humidity sensor circuit, we have included the pinout of the DHT22 sensor. This diagram should help you work out where each pin needs to go on the Raspberry Pi. Pin 1 is VCC, power supply. Pin 2 is data, the data signal. Pin 3 is null, do not connect. Pin 4 is GND, ground. With the script now saved, let's go ahead and run it so that we can start to see the data from the humidity sensor. You can run this script by running the following command. From this command, you should start seeing results like what we have below. The temperature and the humidity should be displayed through the command line. Please let me know your valuable feedback on the video by means of comments. Please like and share the video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more educational videos.